Okay, hello, hi. Today, my team, Group 4 from FK1, will be presenting on how to use bisection method in Excel. So first we have to note what is exactly bisection method. So it is one of the ways to find roots in certain functions. We can find these roots when we know the two values with opposite signs of each other. So this method will have you repeatedly bisecting certain values that are selected by yourself to find the values of it. But one thing to note is that it is just an approximation of where the roots are in that function, and sometimes we can't find the specifics of it. But one good thing about Excel is that you actually can find these roots because it has a proper way of managing your data. With these data, they can actually give you visual clarification of where the roots are in that graph or in that function you just put. Besides that, there are also many benefits in using Excel, such as these that you can look at the screen right now. So now we're going to see on how exactly can you use bisection method in Excel to find the roots that you want. So I will pass to my teammates in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so now we want to solve for the rightmost root of the quadratic function using the bisection method. So our quadratic function given is 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. So now we have to make a table where we have iteration, value of a, which is the lower boundary, fa, b, which is the upper boundary, fb, c, which is the midpoint, fc, fa times fc, fb times fc, and then error, which is b minus a. So our range is 0 to 1. So for fa, you just have to sub in the value of a into the quadratic function given. And then you do the same for FB. And then to find C, it's just A plus B divided by 2, and you will get the midpoint. For FC, you just sub in the value of C into the quadratic function. And then FA times FC is like this. And then FB times FC is the same, like this. Okay, so here we want to give a condition using if statement, where if FA times FC is less than 0 or a negative value, then the value of A will stay the same. But if it's a false statement, where FA times FC is a positive value, then the value of A will take on the value of C. And then we do the same for the value of B, but here we refer to the column FB times FC. Okay, then we highlight this row and we just pull it down. And then we find the row where the error is less than 0.05. So here is the range where our root might be.
Okey, seterusnya kita akan membuat graf. Okey, kita akan masukkan nilai input X dia adalah sampai 0.5 dan kita masukkan nilai X ke dalam function kita akan dapat Y dia adalah yang seperti ini. Okey, apabila kita buat graf, kita akan dapat graf dia adalah berwarna biru ini. Seterusnya, kita akan membuat lower boundary. Kita masukkan nilai X dengan Y, kita akan dapat lower boundary dia adalah berwarna oranye ini. Dengan upper boundary dia adalah berdasarkan data ini, kita akan dapat upper boundary dia adalah warna kelabu ni. Okey, daripada graf ini kita akan nampak root dia di antara lower boundary dan upper boundary, bermaksud bisection method ini berfungsi. Okey, sekian saja daripada kumpulan kami. Sekian, terima kasih.